Hey, good morning, guys. So we're here back at California right now, and as soon as I got here, right, Sealight just gave us a nice care package, their brand new vacuum cleaner. So we're gonna test it out today. All right, let's go. There it is, guys. Shout out to Sealight Lee for sending us this nice care package. Got a nice, it's very own packaging, you know. So if you want to go travel, if the kids are, eating and then something spilled, you can always carry it around with you. See what's inside. You have the manual, battery, or actually 2 batteries. That's actually nice. The power cord, probably when you're charging. An extra, filter. Vacuum. You got all the good attachments. Let's go test it out. This is the before, right? And then we're gonna start using our handheld vacuum from Sealight. See how it holds up. Now we're gonna use the blower part. Vacuuming the driver's side, then look, pretty much it's a good vacuum. So that's everything in the box. Thank you, Sealight Lee, for sending us a beautiful product. This is a good product. I recommend y'all buy it compared to the other vacuums or handheld vacuums that I use. This one is pretty legit.